So you may have watched many tutorials on YouTube for fixing the mouse issue in GTA Vice City, but none of those tutorials actually worked. So today, let me tell you the only working solution which works like magic, and your mouse will start working. You can see that my mouse is working in escape menu, but when I start the game, it's not working. Here it's working, but it's not working in the game. So many people will tell you that you have to go to options and then you have to go to controller setups and after that mouse settings, but you literally don't have to do anything with any of these settings. What you have to do is start moving the mouse here and open the escape menu. And keep moving the mouse and start the game again. Press escape, keep moving the mouse. Again go to game, keep pressing escape and keep moving the mouse. And here you can see that it has started working. It started so early working for me, but it can take up to 4 to 5 minutes of a maximum for start working for you. So what is the solution? You have to keep moving the mouse in the game and press the escape menu. Keep moving, press escape again and repeat this process until your mouse starts working. So this is the main process. So that's how you fix the mouse issue in GTA Vice City. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.